Vanessa Betancourt with John L. Scott. Welcome to my newest listing here in Kent, Washington. Please come in and take a look around. Welcome to Sunset Vista in Kent, Washington. As soon as you walk in, you will fall in love with this home. This beautiful top floor condo offers a renovated kitchen with granite countertops, bamboo flooring and doors throughout, and elegant vaulted ceilings in the living room. This 870 square foot condo has 2 spacious bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. Located minutes from stores, restaurants, I-5, and just 15 minutes from SeaTac Airport, this home really does offer a great location. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. To schedule your private tour, call, text, or email me, and I'll see you guys soon.